Just a little summary of some of the motion problems that we've done so far. Dealing with velocity, which is distance divided by time, and acceleration, which is the final velocity minus the original velocity divided by time. So I'll do one-sided problems for you, and you can do the back side of this form. Incidentally, there are some other types at the bottom we're going to get to shortly, dealing with momentum. We'll save those for later. So it says, what's the speed of a car that travels 100 meters in 50 seconds? Again, this is going to be my distance. This is my time. And distance divided by time, 100 divided by 50 equals 2, and it's going to be meters per second. What's the speed of an object traveling 200 kilometers in 2 hours? So it's 200, the distance, divided by 2, the time. That's going to be 100, and in this case it's going to be kilometers per hour. So km per hour. Number 3, what's the speed of a marble rolling 30 centimeters in 3 seconds? Distance and time again. Well, we have 30 divided by 3. That's 10 centimeters per second. So cm per second. Now we're on to some acceleration. What's the acceleration of a car going south at 5 meters per minute? If 3 minutes later, it's going south at 2 meters per minute. So it started at, this is the original, this is the final, and this is the time. So again, it's going to be final minus original divided by time. So it's 2 minus 5 divided by 3. It's negative 3 over 3 is negative 1 meters per minute squared. And that means it's decelerating because of the negative, slowing down. What's the deceleration of an object that takes 10 seconds to slow from 50 to 10? Well, this time they're actually telling you deceleration. They didn't tell you decel here, but anytime it's negative, it's still going to be a deceleration. They're already telling you this in advance on this problem. So it's 10 seconds. There's the time. They're giving that to you first. This goes from 50 meters per second. So this is my original. And the final, the VF, is 10. So it's going to be 10 minus 50 divided by 10. That's negative 40 divided by 10. It's negative 4 meters per second squared. Meters per second squared. Again, it's decelerating. Last one. What's the acceleration of a marble which changes from 10 meters per second, that's the original, to 40, that's the final. 5 seconds is the time. Final divided by original. So 40, well, final minus original, minus 10 divided by 5. That's what, 30? Divided by 5. It's 6 meters per second squared. And that is a plus value, so it's going faster. Again, you're going to skip these problems till later. Your job now is to go to the back and just work through numbers 1 through 6.